Welcome to this simple and friendly English learning video. Today, you will discover how to learn English with friends in an easy and natural way. When you learn with people you enjoy spending time with, you feel relaxed, confident, and open to trying new things. You speak more, you listen more, and you grow step by step. In this video, you will explore 5 helpful chapters that show how friends can make your English journey fun, comfortable, and effective. So sit back, stay curious, and let this guide help you learn English in a happy and supportive way. Chapter 1. You feel confident when you learn together. You learn English more comfortably when you are with friends. When you sit together, you feel safe to speak even if you make mistakes. You are not afraid, because your friends understand your struggle. They are learning just like you. You talk in small sentences at first. You may say a word slowly today. Tomorrow, you may speak a full line. Each day becomes easier because you keep practicing with people you trust. You listen to your friends carefully. You notice how they pronounce words. You try to repeat the same sounds. With every attempt, your English becomes clearer. You may remember a moment when you felt nervous. But when your friend said, "Try again," you can do it. You gain courage. That simple support changed everything. You learned that mistakes are not failures. They are steps that guide you forward. You also enjoy the energy of learning together. Sometimes you laugh at funny sentences. Sometimes you repeat difficult words many times. Sometimes you help each other find the correct expression. These moments create confidence inside you. When you learn with friends, you grow without pressure. You grow naturally, slowly, and happily. That is why learning together builds strong confidence in you. Chapter 2. You practice real English every day. You learn English faster when you use it in real conversations. When you sit with your friends, you do not just study words, you speak them. You ask simple questions, and you answer in complete sentences. You talk about your day, your plans, and your thoughts. This daily practice makes English feel natural to you. You may speak slowly today, but you will speak more smoothly tomorrow. Your friends listen to you with patience. You listen to them with focus. Together, you learn how real English sounds in daily life. You notice new expressions during your conversations. One friend says a phrase you have never heard before. Another friend uses a word that feels new to you. You ask questions, and you learn the meaning immediately. This is real learning because you understand the word and use it at the same moment. You may also correct each other gently. When your friend makes a mistake, you help. When you make a mistake, they guide you. No one feels embarrassed. You work like a team. Every conversation becomes a small step in your journey. When you practice real English with friends, you learn naturally, without fear and with steady progress. Chapter 3. You learn new words without stress. You grow your vocabulary faster when you learn with friends. Every friend brings a different set of words, and you share them with each other. You may know one useful phrase. Your friend may know another. When you combine your knowledge, you build a strong word bank together. You learn new words in a relaxed way. You use them while talking, playing, or joking. You say a new word today. You repeat it tomorrow. By the third day, it becomes a natural part of your speech. You never feel pressure because learning happens slowly and gently. You may play small word games. You may challenge each other to use 5 new words in one conversation. You may point to objects around you and name them in English. These small activities make vocabulary learning enjoyable. Sometimes you forget a word. That is normal. Your friend reminds you, and you smile. Sometimes your friend forgets a word, and you help them. This exchange makes learning stronger for both of you. When you learn new words with friends, you remember them longer. You understand their meaning better. You use them confidently in real life. That is how group learning turns simple words into powerful tools for your English journey. Chapter 4. You stay motivated when you learn together. You feel more motivated when your friends learn English with you. Some days you wake up full of energy. Some days you feel tired and do not want to study. But when a friend sends you a message and says, "Let us practice for a few minutes," you try again. Their support keeps you moving forward. You follow a routine more easily when you are not alone. You show up because someone is waiting for you. You practice because you do not want to give up halfway. This shared commitment gives you strength. You notice your progress when your friends celebrate it. They smile when you speak a new sentence. They appreciate you when you pronounce a difficult word correctly. When someone believes in you, your confidence becomes stronger. You also help your friends stay motivated. When they feel low, you encourage them. When they forget a word, you remind them gently. You learn that motivation grows when it is shared. Some days are slow, and some days are exciting. But every day becomes meaningful because you walk through the journey together. When you learn English with friends, you stay inspired, focused, and ready to improve. You move forward as a team, step by step. Chapter 5. You enjoy the learning journey with friends. You enjoy English more when you learn it with people you like. Learning does not feel heavy. It feels light and enjoyable. You smile, you talk, and you discover new things together. English becomes a part of your daily life, not just a subject in a book. You may watch short English videos with your friends. You pause, repeat, and laugh at funny moments. You may listen to songs and try to understand the lyrics. You may read a simple story and take turns reading each line. These small activities make learning fun and natural. You also create memories during your practice. You remember the day you all tried to say a difficult sentence. You remember the day you learned a new expression and used it perfectly. These moments stay in your mind and make the journey special. You never feel alone in the process. You grow together. You learn from each other. You support each other without stress. Every small success feels bigger when you share it with friends. When learning becomes enjoyable, you learn faster. You stay consistent. You stay curious. That is why learning English with friends becomes not just a study plan, but a happy and inspiring journey for you. You have now explored how learning English with friends can change your entire journey. When you learn together, you speak more. You listen more and you grow with confidence. You enjoy the process instead of feeling pressure. Each chapter showed you a new way to practice. Stay motivated and have fun. Now, it is your turn. Sit with your friends, start a small conversation, and take one simple step every day. Remember, you do not need perfect English to begin. You only need a positive mind and a supportive group. Thank you for watching. Keep learning. Keep smiling and keep growing with your friends.